Stop! Before you lose your USDT, there's something you must know. The recent TRC20 hack has shaken crypto investors worldwide, and your hard-earned money could be the next target. But not if you watch this video till the end, because I'm revealing 7 powerful ways to protect your USDT right now. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and share it with your crypto friends, because their money matters too. 1. The TRC20 hack explained. What is TRC20? Simple explanation of the USDT network on Tron. How the hack happened. Phishing scams, fake smart contracts, malicious airdrops. Brief real-life cases, without naming copyrighted news, just examples. A trader in Asia lost $20,000 after clicking a fake wallet link. You don't have to be a crypto expert to protect yourself, just a smart investor who takes action. 2. 7 ways to safeguard your USDT. Each way will have brief explanation, 2 to 3 minutes each. Real-life example, emotional touch to keep audience hooked. 1. Use a hardware wallet, cold storage. Why it's safest. Example, Ledger, Trezor, just mentioned, not affiliate link here yet. 2. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Never rely on password alone. Use Google Authenticator or Authy3. Verify smart contracts before interacting. Don't approve unknown. DApps avoid airdrop scams. 4. Avoid public Wi-Fi transactions. Hackers sniff transactions on free networks. 5. Regularly update your wallet and apps. Outdated apps are more vulnerable. 6. Use a separate wallet for trading and holding. Trading wallet equals small amount. Main wallet equals untouched storage. 7. Stay updated on security alerts and scams. Join official channels, Telegram, Twitter, etc. Now you know how to keep your USDT safe from TRC20 hackers. Which of these methods will you start with today? Let me know in the comments. Ask viewers to share their own tips. Suggest they subscribe and turn on notifications for more crypto safety guides. Remember, crypto can change your future, but only if you protect it. Don't be the next victim. Take action today. Like, subscribe, and share this video with at least one crypto friend. You might just save them from losing thousands.